Welcome to My Math Plus. I am Muhammad Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve some question from DP1 Math AASL Binomial Expansion chapter. Question number 1. Find the coefficient of x to the power 8 in the expansion of bracket 2x minus 5 bracket close whole to the power 11. We have to use the general term formula. We know that general term T R plus 1 equals to NCR. If we consider this formula for like A plus B to the power N, so formula is NCR A to the power N minus R B to the power R. We have to consider here A equals to 2x and B equals to here minus 5. So NCR, that means N is here 11. So we have to write here 11CR. Instead of A, we have to write here 2x whole to the power 11 minus R. Instead of B, we have to write here minus 5 to the power R. So if we simplify, we'll get 11CR 2 to the power 11 minus R, x to the power 11 minus R, and minus 5 to the power R. So we want the coefficient of x to the power 8. So we can write x to the power 8 equals to x to the power 11 minus R. So as both of these base same, power will be equal. So it will be 8 equals to 11 minus R. So when minus R will come in the left side, it will be plus R, 11 minus 8. Therefore, R equals to 3. So when R equals to 3, the T3 plus 1, that means 4 equals to 11C3. It will be 2 to the power 11 minus 3 and minus 5 to the power 3. So this is the coefficient of x to the power 4, x to the power 8. So if we simplify, we'll get here. Here we can write here x to the power 8. So 11 minus 3 is 8. So it will be minus 528, 528, 40, x to the power 8. So coefficient of x to the power 8 is, therefore, coefficient of x to the power 8 is equals to minus 528, 40. So question number 1 completed. Question number 2, the binomial expansion of bracket 1 plus kx whole to the power n is given by 1 plus 12x plus 28x k square x square plus dot plus k to the power n x to the power n, where n belongs to natural number and k belongs to n belongs to integer and k belongs to natural number. So this is integer and this is natural number. Find the value of n and the value of k. So we have to expand 1 plus kx to the power n. So formula is 1 plus nx. That means kx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial kx whole square. So if we compare this with given, so here coefficient of x is nk and here coefficient of x is 12. So from here we'll get n equals to 12 by k. We mentioned this is equation 1. And here coefficient of x square is 28k square. But here coefficient of x square is n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial k square equals to 28k square. So both sides k square cancel. So n into n minus 1. So n square minus n. 2 factorial means 2. If we multiply with 28, it is 56. So 56 come in the left side. It will be n square minus n minus 56. Now factorize, we will get n square 8n plus 7n minus 56 equals to 0. Take n common, n minus 8. Take 7 common, n minus 8 equals to 0. So it will be n minus 8, n plus 7 equals to 0. Finally, n equals to 8 because n belongs to positive integer. Now put n equals to 8 in equation 1. So we'll get here 8 equals to 12 by k. So k equals to 12 by 8. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Therefore, k equals to 3 by 2. So finally, we get n equals to 8 and k equals to 3 by 2. So question number 2 completed. Question number 3. The coefficient of x to the power 6 in the expansion of bracket a x to the power cube plus b whole to the power 8 is 448. The coefficient of x to the power 6 in the expansion of bracket a x to the power 3 plus b whole to the power 10 is 2880. Find the value of a and the value of b where a and b positive. We can do this math in different way. Here I just show you one method. A x to the power 3 plus b whole to the power 8. If I expand this, it will be a x cubed to the power 8 plus 8c1. That means ax cubed to the power 8 minus 1 is 7. B to the power 1. 8c2. Ax cubed 8 minus 2 is 6. B square. So if we proceed, we'll get 8c6 a x to the power 3, 8 minus 6 is 2, and b to the power 6. Now, here, coefficient of x to the power 6, 2 3s are 6. Coefficient of x to the power 6 is 8c6 a square b to the power 6. So here they gave us the coefficient of x to the power 6 is equals to 448. So if we 8c6 means 28, a square b to the power 6 equals to 448. So a square b to the power 6 is 448 divided by 28 is 16. So by using this type of expansion from a x to the power 3 plus b whole to the power 10, if we expand these things, we also get here ax cubed to the power 10 plus 10c1 ax cubed to the power 9 b1. So if we proceed here, we'll get here 10c8 ax cubed to the power 10 minus 8 is 2 and b to the power 8. So here also the coefficient of x over 6, 3 to the 6. So coefficient of x over 6 is 10c8, its square b to the power 8 is equals to 2880. So it will be 45 a square b to the power 8 equals to 2880. From here we get a square b to the power 8 equals to 64. This is equation 2. Now divide equation 2 by equation 1. So we'll get here a square b to the power 8 by a square b to the power 6 equals to 64 by 16. So b square equals to 4. So b equals to plus minus 2, but b greater than 0. So we have to take here b positive. Now, if we put b equals to 2 in equation 1, now put value b equals to 2 in equation 1. So we'll get here a square to the power 6 equals to 16. So a square equals to 16 by 2 to the power 6 is 64. So it will be 1 by 4. So finally a equals to plus minus 1 by 2. So we have to take here a equals to 1 by 2 because both are positive. Here they say a, b both are positive. So final answer a equals to 1 by 2 and b equals to 2. Question number 4. In the expansion of x plus k whole to the power 7, where k belongs to real number, the coefficient of the term in x to the power 5 is 63. Find the possible values of k. So x plus k whole to the power 7, we have to expand this. It will be x to the power 7, 7c1, x to the power 6, k to the power 1, 7c2, x to the power 5, k to the power 2. So what do we want? Here said coefficient of x to the power 5 is 63. So 7c2 k squared equals to 63. Because this is coefficient of x to the power 5, it is also coefficient of x to the power 5. So 7c2 means 21, k squared equals to 63. So k squared equals to 63 divided by 21. It is 3. So k equals to plus minus root over 3. Question number 4 completed. Question number 5. Consider the expansion of bracket 3 plus x square whole to the power n plus 1, where n belongs to positive integer. Given that the coefficient of x over 4 is 20,412, find the value of n. So we have to expand 3 plus x square to the power n plus 1. So nc1, that means 3 to the power n plus 1. Then nc1, n plus 1, c1, 3 to the power n plus 1 minus 1, x squared to the power 1, n plus 1, nc2, 3 to the power n plus 1 minus 2, x whole squared to the power square. So what we want? We want the coefficient of x to the 4. So this part is the coefficient of x to the 4. So coefficient of x to the 4 is here, n plus 1 c2. It will be n minus 1, 3 to the power n minus 1. So x square whole square means x to the power 4. So this part is the coefficient of x to the power 4. It is equals to 20,412. because this is also coefficient of x to the power 4. So now if I expand these things, we will get here n plus 1, n into n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So if we remember the formula, NC2 means n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. This is the formula for NC2. So we consider the whole part as a n. So it will be n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1. This part is n, consider the n, divided by 2 factorial. So 3 to the power n minus 1 equals to 20,412. Now, minus 1 and plus 1 cancel. So upper side n plus 1. 2 factorial means 2. It is 3 to the power n minus 1 equals to 20,412. So this part is little bit different. We have to factorize. Okay, 2 multiply this. What we will get? It will be here one thing missing. This n is missing. This n. So n into n plus 1, 3 to the power n minus 1. When 2 multiply with 20,412, we will get here 40824, 40,824. So if we factorize 40,824, we'll get here 3 to the power 6 multiply 50 to the power 56. So instead of this, you can write here 3 to the power 6 multiply 56. So both of this part is equal. So n into n plus 1, 3 to the power n minus 1. So this part and that part we consider equal. So 3 to the power n minus 1 equals to 3 to the power 6. If both of this base same power will be equal, n minus 1 equals to 6. N equals to, when minus 1 go in the right side, it is plus 7. So n value is positive 7. So this is the answer for n. Question number 6. Consider 11CA, 11 factorial, A factorial, 9 factorial. So we can write here 11CA means 11 factorial, 11 minus A factorial and A factorial equals to 11 factorial. So both of these 11 factorial cancel and A factorial, 9 factorial. So A factorial and factorial cancel. So you can write here 11 minus A factorial equals to 9 factorial. If both of these have the side have the factorial, we can remove this. So we can write here 11 minus A equals to 9. So 11 minus 9 equals to 8. So finally, A equals to 2. So 6 number completed. Number B, hence or otherwise, find the coefficient of the term in x plus 9 in the expansion of x plus 3 whole to the power 11. So if we expand this, x plus 3 whole to the power 11 equals to 11c, it will be, so x plus 3 whole to the power 11, we can write here x to the power 11 plus 11c1, x to the power 10, 3 to the power 1, 11c2, x to the power 8, 3 square, okay, x to the power 9, 3 square. So what do we want? We want the coefficient of x to the power 9. So this part is the coefficient of x to the power 9. So it will be 11c2, 3 square means 9. So finally, we get here 495. So this is the coefficient of x to the power 9. So I hope everybody understood all of this maths properly. Still, if you have any confusion, please contact with me. Please subscribe my channel. And if you don't understand, please text. Thanks a lot.